Hello everyone! Today we are going to show you how to use the call forwarding feature on the Flyingvoice phone. Call forwarding allows you to have calls to your office phone automatically forwarded to a different number. There are three different kinds of forwarding. Firstly, we demonstrate the always forward. It will forward all the calls automatically. On the extension 2005, press Menu. Go to Features. Go to Call Forward and press Always Forward. Enable the Always Forward and enter the number that you wish to forward the call to. Press OK and go back. After that, you will see a forward icon shows up on the top right corner. Now we make a call to this extension. And we can see it didn't ring. The call has been forwarded to another extension. Nextly, we demonstrate the busy forward. To forward the call when the line is busy. On the extension 2005, press Menu, go to Features, go to Call Forward, and go to Busy Forward. Enable the Busy Forward. And then enter the number that you wish to forward the call to. Press OK. Go back to the home page. And then you will see the call forwarding icon shows on the top right corner. Now we make this extension busy. And then call it on another phone. We can see the call has been forwarded to another phone. Finally, we demonstrate the no answer forward. To forward the call when there is no answer. On the extension 2005, press Menu, go to Features, go to Call Forward. Click on No Answer Forward. Enable it. Enter the number that you want to forward the call to. And set the after ring time. Press OK. Go back to the home page. Now we make a call to this extension. And do not answer the call and wait. We can see the call finally forwarded to another phone.